Omarchy. Well, technically, it's actually Omarchy. Yeah, I know, thank you. But I'm calling it Omarchy because it sounds cooler. It sounds as if it's one of those political structures that you're not supposed to talk about when you say it like Omarchy. So, obviously, I have installed the operating system, and in the background, you can see me going through my config files. I've obviously started configuring it quite a bit. And it's all the buzz right now because it's your way of doing Hyperland, Wayland, without having to do the hard part, learning anything. So since it comes pre-configured for most people, that is a big selling point because they don't have to learn anything. And as you can see in the background, I'm going over my config, so you can see that actually you can port your own neovim config, you can change your hyperland configuration, your waybar, all the classic stuff, obviously, right? This is in the background for anybody who doesn't primarily know how to do stuff like this, right? And I'm actually loving it. I've got it on all of my machines right now, and it's really fast, if anybody was actually wondering, and it took only like 10 minutes to install, or something like that, and it's really easy, right? I recommend it. Try it out.